ourselves a little gator right here.
Oh, that's a big one. Don't run into it.
Hammered. What's up, guys? I want to talk about my favorite paint of all time, Rust-oleum Hammered. Spray cans and quartz, Rust-oleum. Please feel free to send me a couple cases of this because this stuff is awesome. Guys, I use this on pretty much everything from trailers, tools, jack stands, just about anything I can think of. I use it on. I just used 2 quarts on my boat trailer and it looks awesome. And the nice thing about it is it gives it a textured, powder coated finish that looks like that textured powder coat or hammered powder coat. So this trailer had a ton of, not a ton, but it had some rust on these triangles here where there was a carpet in the water, and a couple times I put it in salt. It just, you know, ate away at it. So I descaled it, cleaned it up, used the OSPO on it, and now two coats of this silver Rust-oleum. So I'm gonna try to find a spot where you can see it. It really, let's see if it'll zoom in there. It really looks like powder coat. It's amazing, and it just covers, and any little flaws it kind of hides, and it just looks great. And the great thing about it is if you get a ding, you got it on your utility trailer or something, you get a ding, you can just take a little brush and touch it up and it kind of blends right in. You won't even notice it. Obviously it's not a total show trailer or anything like that, but it's pretty sweet. I love it. Rust-oleum Hammered. Peace out, brothers. Sucking it out. If you don't have one of these and you have a boat, you need one. Makes the oil changes a breeze. Alright, Gavin's at the helm of the Bobcat. We're gonna go launch it in the neighbor's launch. And it's a little tight, so I'm using the Bobcat a little easier than my big long truck. My 13-year-old boy's the man behind the wheel there. Keep going all the way out, bud. Look at that thing with the cool T-top. What a beautiful boat. Wow.
Isn't that pretty?
Jeez.
Whoop. Yeah, watch it.
Yeah.
Something sticking out.
Yeah, because those cypress grow them little things, those little nubs.